internet, it's me, Annie. Today I'm going to be showing you all the slimes I have. It's always the first one I lift up, but so slimes and putties actually. And this is going to be the first one, just straight into it. This is the first one. It is a neon green slime that I made from a look at those slime kit. But when you squeeze it, like, it goes all, but then when you just, like, it looks glow in the dark. I made one of these that will glow in the dark, but there's not actually glow in the dark. It looks so glow in the dark, but it's not actually glowing. Why am I cutting off my hand? It's not actually glow in the dark. So this is slime number 1. Now time for slime number 2. Putty number 2, actually. This is a glow-in-the-dark putty. It's very dirty. At least this side is pretty. But then this side is the top. This side is just very dirty. The putty, it smells like bubble gum or chewing gum. I'm not exactly sure. And it is meant to be glow in the dark, and it actually glows in the dark a little bit more, but I actually can't show you guys because it will be very hard. I'm trying. Sorry, I'm trying. It's glow in the dark, and it still goes in the dark, which is pretty good. If you can see, it's still kind of glow in the dark. But it's very hard to show you, so that's putty. This is putty. Stretchy putty, actually. I've lost the rest of it, though. And I'm just going to put that back in there. And this is number 2. Okay, now to show you this slime. I actually made this slime handmade. I forgot how I made it, but I definitely had glue tack and this slime that my friend gave me. It's very sticky and very cool, and it's actually a very good slime. It's not actually that sticky. I forgot how I made the rest, but it has glue tack and it has a slime that my friend gave me. Oh. And her name is Sam. So that is slime number 3. And it looks like putty, but it's slime. Number 3. Okay, now on to the big slime handbag. This is my big slime handbag I got for my birthday. And this is some of the slimes I made on it. And I named them all. So this one is the first one. It was one of the gifts my friends gave me at my party. Well, it's not exactly, but this whole thing was a gift that my friend gave me at the party. And yeah, they made me a surprise one while I was out. And this one is called Shimmer of the Clouds, because this glitter is called Cloud Crunch, and it's very shimmery, if you can see. Okay, that's number 1. This one, 3 of my friends, that's including me, like 2 of my friends and me, made this slime. One of my friends had too much glitter, but it has all 3 glitters that I got in the set, and it is a blue color. I call it Unicorn Blues, because the glitter that's in there most is the unicorn tears. So this is the next slime. Okay, now the next one. Okay, I need to take the glitter off my hands. That was way too much glitter. Yep, it's all gone. All gone. This is Galaxy Goo. Oh. It's very good stretchy and very pokey, and it's purple with some Daydream glitter in it. I named it Galaxy Goo. And this one is Pink Shimmer. It's very stretchy and very pokey, and the most clearest one I actually have. Oop. Oop. Okay, this is called Pink Shimmer. And the last and my favorite one, Ocean Hearts. let me just get this out. It's very hard to get out. This is the most fullest one I have, and it's a very foggy one. It's the most foggiest one I have, but it's my favorite one. It's the most stretchiest. I added in some of my confetti hearts, not slime, confetti hearts, because it was a good idea. But that confetti hearts didn't come with the set. And this is my slime handbag. And I also got a slime ring with this set, but it's somewhere else. And there's no slime in it yet. But well, there was. I took it out and put it in there. This is, oh god, why did I put that in there? This is, okay. My favorite one of these, Ocean Hearts. And that is all my slime I have. And this was actually the fullest one in here. And this is all the slime I have. So, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And click that notification bell. And like this video.